$4,376,147.11 has been paid out by this website for free to all its users. It's simple to use, and we're going to get into exactly how to use it for yourself. Now, this website we're going to talk about, it's not a technique like affiliate marketing or drop shipping or any kind of real sustainable online business, any kind of growing into millions of dollars or hundreds of thousands of dollars. This isn't anything like that. I have a ton of stuff like that on this channel if you want to check it out, but this isn't anything like that. This is made for those of you who have not ever made any money online, and you're just looking for a simple way to make money from your laptop, from your desktop, from your smartphone. Just something simple, just to make a little bit of side income and to even see for yourself that this online making money stuff is true. This is the simplest way to do it possible. It's legit. You can do it anywhere, and it's super, super simple. This is not going to make you rich by any means whatsoever, but you can win up to about $500 a day in prizes. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, what's even crazier than the amount of money that they've paid out to the users on this website is actually over here. It's the amount of time, the average amount of time until a user makes their first cash out. 17 minutes and 25 seconds. That means from the time that you open up this app or this website, depending on where you are and what you're using, and you open an account and you start using it, in 17 minutes you're going to get your first cash payout. That's ridiculous. Now check this out. This is a little bit of a hack I'm about to show you here, the cash out. So there's a lot of different ways that you could actually earn rewards, earn cash out of this app. And it's crazy the amount of options that they have. So you can either get like gift cards, Amazon, Xbox Live. I'm a gamer, like Xbox, Nintendo, Blizzard. You got a lot of different things you can do there. You can get a Spotify or an Apple or even a Netflix gift card. I'm not sure what you would use a Netflix gift card for, but it's there. Steam is another big one. That's a good one to give to the kids, or somebody that you know is a gamer. Steam is a great one. So with that being said, here's my favorite, PayPal. Now that's just straight up cash, right? Almost everybody has a PayPal account and you can get cash, but I'm going to teach you a little bit of a hack here, because one of the best ways to get cash out of this app is actually to be paid in Bitcoin. Now hear me out. Or Ethereum or Litecoin or Dogecoin if that's what you want to do. But a lot of this cryptocurrency nowadays, it tends to go up and down, right? It moves like a stock. And the beauty of that is you could actually be paid out in, let's say, Bitcoin, just for example. You can be paid out in Bitcoin instead of cash. And the amount of Bitcoin that you're paid out today, it might actually be worth more next week or in 2 weeks or in a few days, because Bitcoin tends to swing so wildly all the time. So does Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. A lot of these cryptocurrencies do. So you might actually benefit from this app in a lot more ways than one. Instead of just getting cash, this is just a pro tip, you get one of these cryptocurrencies instead, and then you have the opportunity to say, in cash you would have earned $10, but if you're getting paid out in cryptocurrency and it happens to go up in the next few days, in the next few weeks, you could actually cash out and make like $50 off that same $10 you would have made if you took PayPal instead. It requires a little bit of patience and a little bit of looking towards the future a little bit, but at the same time, it's free. I mean, you're earning free Bitcoin, free Ethereum, etc. There's really nothing to lose there. So even if you do happen to lose some money on the Bitcoin and Ethereum and whatnot, as far as the value is concerned, you didn't really lose any money because you got that stuff for free from this website. So it's a win-win either way, but it's kind of a little bit of like playing the lottery or gambling with like free money. So it's really, really fun to just be paid in these cryptocurrencies and see what happens. That's my recommendation on that. You can be paid in PayPal if you want, but I like to do the cryptocurrencies and just see where they go. Now, the name of this website is freecash.com, and you can actually just click the link down on below and you can get started right now. You can actually get started right up here in the corner somewhere. You're going to see some register button, and you're going to have to put in a username, your email, password, etc. The same that you would register anywhere else. But you click the button down, or you click the link down below in the description of this video. You get started. And as you can see, this is a trusted website, okay? 9,746 reviews on Trustpilot, 5 stars. Everyone in this community loves this website. It's trusted, it works, it's real, it's not a scam, it's not any of that stuff. Now check this out. This is some of the stuff I wanted to show you about this site. Unlike other survey websites, there's a lot of survey websites. You take surveys, they pay you like 10 cents, and it takes you forever to make any kind of significant amount of money on them. You could actually make a pretty decent amount of money on this site because they pay you $1 or more sometimes per survey. Okay, so that's already pretty good. Then you come over here and you see the cash out starting at 1 penny. This is another big problem with a lot of these survey websites, is that they only pay you they only pay you like after you've made like $50 or $100 or some crazy amount of money, some crazy number. After they pay you about 10 cents per survey, then you have to wait until you've earned about $50 to $100 to even receive your cash. Not here on freecash.com. They pay you after you earn your first penny. That's why people are earning so quickly on this site. Okay, and as we talked about earlier, you can get PayPal, Bitcoin, etc. Excuse me. There are no fees on your cash outs, on your withdrawals. That's another big thing. With no fees, that also adds up, because a lot of other websites just like this, they'll actually take a percentage of your earnings and take a lot of the fees from what you earn. It's like, what the hell? You know, it's like I spent so much time building up this wallet, building up my earnings, and then on top of that, you're going to take a withdrawal fee when I take the money out. As you can see here on the right side, you can actually watch people live earning money. You can watch, and this is people chatting. Okay, this is a live chat for the entire site, people from all around the world. And you can talk to them directly, or you can just join the chat and say a few words, talk about surveys that you're taking, ask about different challenges you're having. The entire community is here to help each other out. So this part's awesome as well. Now, I talked earlier about how you could make up to $500 a day using this site, and I'm going to get into that in a little bit. But first, let's see what it actually looks like to take some of these surveys and do some of these offers. You can see some of the offers down here. Lootably, Review. I'm not even familiar with a lot of these websites or companies, but if you take some of these offers, you can earn up to $1. You can even earn bonuses if you complete these offers quickly. Okay, you can see here 50% bonus. So if you're waiting in line somewhere, you're at the DMV, we know how long that takes. You can sit here and do some of these offers and earn yourself a few dollars while you're waiting for them to call your number. But here's the one that a lot of people know about, a lot of people come to this website for, is the surveys, right? There's also these apps you can download. There's these games you can sit there and play while you're waiting at the DMV and you're waiting for them to call your number, or at the doctor while you're waiting for them to call you in the waiting room. You know, that takes 1,000 years. So you can sit there and you can play some of these games and you can earn points that you can use towards your cash outs. Okay, so you can earn a few dollars while you're waiting in line, waiting at the doctor's office. And here are the surveys, and you can see here you actually earn $1 for normal surveys. Normal surveys take a little bit longer, but they also have these fast surveys. Okay, so for 50 cents you can take a fast survey, and they're a lot quicker. And if you can bang these out after 10, 15, 20 minutes, you can earn yourself a few dollars doing this. Okay, so this way, none of your time in life is idle time. You're watching a boring new movie on Netflix, can't really get into it, can't pay attention. Whip out your phone, do some of these fast surveys, and start making yourself money. One thing about being a hustler, being an online entrepreneur, being the infamous, right? If you're subscribed to this channel, you're infamous and you love to make money online. One thing about being that type of person is that you never have idle time. Everything that you do, you're making money. Okay, so if you're in the bathroom and you're doing your business, make your money. Okay, so whip out your app and start doing some of this stuff. You can click fast surveys, get started doing that so we can see what it looks like. And they ask you some basic questions. What is your age? I'm going to put here 79. I don't know, I'm pretty old, right? And we can say, what is your gender? And you can keep going from there. All right, so with that being said, that's how you you know, fill out the surveys and everything like that. Okay, so very, very simple. And as I promised, I'm going to reveal to you how you can make up to $500 a day on this site. All you would do is come up here to the leaderboard so I can show you what it looks like. Now, every single day they give out cash bonuses of $500 for those who are making it to the top of the leaderboards. You can see here, whoever's in first place, this Adnan, I can't really say their name, but this person has made $500 today. They also have monthly prizes of $2,500. So if you're spending a lot of time on this site, taking a lot of surveys, doing a lot of stuff, playing a lot of apps, using a lot of offers, etc., you are capable of winning some of these big cash prizes every single day and every month. Okay, so it starts to add up a lot over time. So click on the link down below, register your account, get started. And if you want to learn another easy way to build up an actual business online, because this isn't for business, this is for a few extra dollars. But if you want to build up a business online, the easiest way possible, I have a video right here that you can check out, that you can go through. It gives you a breakdown of something that I like to do myself, and it's helped me build up a 6-figure business online.